altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is Cake. A bit of PancakeSwap coming through here. I'm here to give you an update on that. As you can see, guys, we're starting off here on the daily, on the longer term time frame. You can see from the all-time high coming through here on the Binance chart, 30th of April, around $42.97. From there, pretty strong trend line. As you can see, multiple levels of resistance coming through to May. Obviously, humongous May crash. We all know about that. And the resistance, the Viva resistance from this trend line has actually prevailed continuously. Running into September, we obviously saw a bloody September coming through there, creating, you guessed it, lower highs continuously here for PancakeSwap, forming, yes, from the all-time high, pretty strong downward sloping resistance line. And also we do have a very nice low point coming through from February 2021 as well. Also massive level of support that we are forming here. And that's obviously created a giant symmetrical triangle here, chart. A giant symmetrical chart pattern coming through here, guys. And that means that we could be looking at some sort of breakout scenario. Very interesting stuff here because there's a couple of scenarios that we can be running through. If we're going on the most recent uptrend, guys, when we are going to be breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, we can actually be looking at something along the lines of this. I know, pretty ambitious, but it's definitely a price target to be looking out for, as it's not even all-time highs there for PancakeSwap. So it's definitely something that could be reached very rapidly if an uptrend is going to prevail. And we can see here from the last time that we did see a very nice uptrend coming through for Cake. It's very strong, not very big pullbacks at all. So yeah, if you are going to be if you're going to be long or even just hodling through this zone, you're going to be making a lot of money, right? So it's definitely a breakout scenario that I'm going to be looking for there, and it's going to be around a 79.44% there. Really quite insane gains to the upside there. That's just one scenario. We know the score, guys. We're going to be staggering take profits all the way up, planning for any sort of reversals coming through there, not just going for the greedy near enough 80% gain there. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for in terms of a long position. Now, what I would say also on top of that, guys, jumping down to a bit of a shorter term time frame, we'll jump to the 12-hour for now. You can see we do have a parallel channel, a falling parallel channel coming through here at the top of an uptrend. It is a bit of a bull flag scenario. Yes, it is. Very good stuff indeed. Now, we could be looking at the most recent uptrend coming through there in terms of a measure move, in terms of a smaller trade that we could be looking for, in terms of a breakout scenario here, guys. And obviously, guys, this is speculatively speaking, not financial advice coming through here, but it's definitely another position I would be looking out for. Another position I would be looking out for in terms of percentages there. It's still going to be around a 20% gain there, guys. And this is a spot trade. This isn't leverage. Imagine you're leveraging that 10x, 200%. It's just crazy gains coming through there. If we are going to see a breakout scenario coming through that for Cake, that's definitely something to be looking out for. Now, moving through to, obviously, this is a very quick update here for you guys. Moving through to the hourly chart, you can see we do actually have a falling wedge chart pattern. And this is why it's claimed my altcoin of the day, because we've got something very interesting happening here. A breakout scenario coming through on the shorter term time frame. If we are looking for some sort of measure move here, guys, we could be looking at something along the lines of this. We're above all major moving averages here. We've just cleared the 55. What I would say, we do have the 200 EMA coming through at $18.55 there. So we know that's going to be a definite take profit point to be looking out for. So let's just bang that in. And that is correlating near enough fairly well with pretty key reversal points coming through as well there. And that's obviously going to be, yeah, you can see how well the stars line up for that position coming through there. But yeah, in terms of percentages for this gain, for something to be looking out for the rest of the day there, it's going to be around a 3.5, 3.6% there. Very interesting stuff there to be looking out for. What I would say there, in terms of the RSI, we are near enough overbought there, guys. So it's definitely something to be looking out for if we are going to see any sort of spike coming through. Ideally, we want to come back down, have a retest, get into a nice long position there, and then basically start riding that wave all the way to the top there. But yeah, that is going to be your update today here on Pancake. Bit of PancakeSwap. Cake.